Hi, my name is Yuan, and today I will be presenting my final year project titled Fuzzy Embedded Gated Recurrent Unit System with Application in Stock Trading. The motivation of this project can be summarized as follows. 1. There has been an increase of interest in applying deep learning in finance. 2. Existing portfolio managers still has doubts when applying deep learning and hence are reluctant on switching from traditional time series forecasting methods. 3. There is a need for an explanation behind derived predictions from deep learning models. In this project, we will be exploring different prediction techniques, including a traditional time series forecasting method, ARIMA, a vanilla GRU, as well as the proposed FE-GRU model. After which, we will be interpreting a 5-layer structure of the FE-GRU. An accuracy analysis will be made thereafter based on an Apple stock, and the prediction will be backtested using a 100K portfolio based on 2 trend indicators, the RSI and MACD. ARIMA stands for Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average. In this traditional time series forecasting method, there are 3 main components: autoregression, which makes predictions based on historical values; integration, which fits models with differences between each data point; and lastly, moving average, which makes predictions based on historical averages in a sliding window manner. The ARIMA model has resulted in an RMSE of 1.935 and an R-square of 0.977. As for the vanilla GRU, it was designed to resolve the diminishing gradient problem encountered in the RNN. It includes 2 gates, update gate and reset gate. Update gate determines the proportion of historical information to pass on, while the reset gate determines if previous state is important. This is the vanilla GRU performance, an RMSE of 0.000002 and an R-square of 0.887. Comparing both models, ARIMA returned a better R-square. However, its prediction is based solely on historical prices, while the GRU takes into account all factors including volume, high and lows of each day. In actual fact, stock price is dependent on many factors, not just historical price. Hence, the GRU is more well-rounded. Moving on to the proposed FE-GRU architecture, it is implemented in a 5-layer architecture, including the input layer, condition layer, inference layer, consequence layer, and the output layer. The performance of the proposed FE-GRU architecture returns an R-square of 95%. Comparing all 3 models, it can be seen that the FE-GRU may not be the best in terms of R-square result. However, it is definitely more well-rounded and interpretable as compared to the ARIMA and vanilla GRU. For the purpose of the project, we will be focusing on the oscillator type technical indicator, in particular the RSI and MACD. In each of the indicator analysis, a comparison will also be made between the standalone indicator as well as their respective indicator ensembles using a base price of 100K over a span of 1 year. Using the actual close price as extracted from Yahoo Finance, based on the trading algorithm, the following results are as shown. The RSI standalone indicator returned a profit percentage of 8.9%, while the RSI indicator ensemble, which includes the Bollinger Band and the Keltner channel, returned a profit percentage of 12.2%. However, when the predicted close price as returned from the FE-GRU model was used, the following result are as shown. The RSI standalone indicator returned a profit percentage of 19.05%, which is double that of the actual closing price, while the RSI indicator ensemble only returned a profit percentage of 3.08%. Similarly for MACD, using the actual close price as an input to the respective trading algorithms, the following results are as shown. The MACD standalone indicator returned a profit percentage of 49.9%, while the MACD indicator ensemble, which includes the Williams R, returned a profit percentage of 16.7%. In this case, when the predicted close price as returned from the FE-GRU model was used, the following result are as shown. The MACD standalone indicator returned a profit percentage of 64.03%, and the MACD indicator ensemble returned a profit percentage of 39.1%. To conclude, the FE-GRU model proposed was benchmarked against traditional time series forecast and the vanilla GRU model, and is preferred for analysis and forecasting due to its interpretability and flexibility. Another conclusion from this project was that the direct relationship between future price movements and historical price is merely an assumption. Other factors such as news, entity takeovers, investor confidence will also likely affect future price movements. Of course, out of the many indicators available in the market, there is no single best indicator that can provide guaranteed profits. It is highly dependent on time of use. Future works of the project includes the following: improving the prediction accuracy of the FE-GRU, and this can be done so by merging membership functions, using transformers instead of GRU, possible benchmarking of proposed models with existing models formerly developed by others, as well as turning the FE-GRU into an online system which can take in live data and perform analysis at the same time. Secondly, will be the extension of look-ahead prediction timeframe, as this can prove to be beneficial for investors' decision making. With that, I've come to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.